My name's Sarah and I'm the Lead Youth and Community Worker at Community Youth Project in Queen's House. We are open 5 nights a week. We work with children and young people 6 to 25 years old, so it's a mixture of drop-in sessions. There's a music studio there. Over the past year, young people have been able to have access to that. We provide one-to-one support. We do group sessions. It could be anything from playing a game of football with a young person to supporting them through a homelessness application, or just being that professional friend for them. So we give the young people the love and support that they need to keep going.
I deliver studio production, so I do a lot of recording with the young people. I run projects in the park, doing a lot of coaching, and the aim of the project is to basically equip young people with skills to better themselves within their career, to build their confidence, and to give them kind of a platform, a safe place to develop.
They always help us when we're doing things. I come every Monday to do homework, and they help me out with that. They give me a computer to use for when I'm doing homework. Thank you for always being the best youth workers which I've ever been with in my life.